National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for the Merrimack River near Arnold from late Wednesday night until further notice. At 7:30 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 19.1 feet. Flood stage is 24.0 feet. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage Thursday morning and continue rising to near 29.3 feet Sunday morning. Additional rises are possible. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis,